Hi everyone, myself Vamsi Krishna. In this session, we are going to see how to run WordPress website using Docker Compose. Docker Compose is a tool for defining and running multiple container Docker applications. With Docker Compose, you can define a YAML file to configure your application services. You can define your application services, and if they are depending on other service, you can mention in the YAML file itself. If you see this, this is the YAML file which we are going to run now. If you see this YAML file, there is a section called services. Inside services, for WordPress, I need a database. That is the reason I have taken the service name DB. And this service has image MySQL colon 5.7 and volumes DB underscore data, so that even if we restart the container, we will not lose MySQL data. That is the reason we are using volumes. And environment. For MySQL, I need to create a username, password, and I need to have a database access as well. That's why these are the environment variables which we need. This is database service. And as I said, Compose is used for building multi-container application. For WordPress, we need one database container and one WordPress container. But WordPress needs database to run. That's why we have created something called depends on. This WordPress container is depends on this DB container. Here the container name you can define separately, or else the service name will be the container name. This depends on is this one, and then again image is WordPress colon latest. Ports, I am doing port forwarding. Inside it will run on 80, but outside I'm exposing on 8000. And environment, even WordPress needs database details, as I said, right? WordPress needs to connect to some database. In this particular YML file, we are using MySQL. WordPress DB host is nothing but DB colon 3306 is nothing but MySQL port number. WordPress DB user is WordPress. WordPress DB password is WordPress. WordPress DB name is WordPress. If you want, you can change these three things as well. It's up to you. This is the YAML file which we are going to create, and we will run this YAML file. It will create multi-container applications at once. You don't want to run MySQL one time, and you don't want to run WordPress container one time. Just create a simple YAML file and run Docker Compose. It will build all the containers at once. With this background, let us get started with the implementation steps. I'm going to take Amazon EC2 instance, launch instance, Amazon Linux 2, review and launch, EKS cluster demo, launch instances. This is Docker Compose WordPress. I'll keep this name, Docker Compose WordPress deployment. Grab the IPv4 public IP, go to MobileXM, create a session. SSH, remote host is this, specify username, EC2 user, advanced SSH settings, use private key. This is the key pair which we are going to use. Now once this server is active, I'll install Docker and Docker Compose. Sudo -i yum install Docker, then Docker Compose. I have the steps. Okay, Docker is installed. If you want, you can see Docker hyphen version, and you can start the Docker service, and you can see the Docker service status. Perfect. Now we have Docker and install Docker Compose. Docker Compose also ready. Now if you see, even Docker website also they have given this. I have taken from here. First, what we need to do is we need to define the project. You can create an empty project directory, anything. You can define mkdir Docker WordPress. Go into Docker WordPress and you need to create a file with extension .yml or .yaml. YML or YAML. This is nothing but yet another markup language. HTML is hypertext markup language, right? YAML extension is yet another markup language. This is what we need to copy. And vi docker hyphen compose dot YAML file, paste these things. This is the YAML file. If you see services, I have two services. One is DB service, another one is WordPress service. And this DB service has these environment variables. It will use these credentials. And this WordPress service is depending on the DB service per MySQL connection. Save this. Now we have Docker Compose file, and what we need to do is we need to build the project. To build the project, Docker hyphen compose up hyphen d. I am saying detach, so that this will create the containers in background. Now see, it is creating a network, Docker WordPress default network, and it is creating a volume, Docker WordPress DB data with the default driver, and it is pulling multiple containers. MySQL image is downloaded. Now it is downloading the image for WordPress. Here the key point is this one. If you don't mention this depends on, this deployment will not work. Why? Because WordPress needs database connection details. Okay, it has created Docker WordPress DB and it is creating Docker WordPress 1. Let it finish, then we will see Docker PS. See, Docker PS, it has two containers, right? One container is MySQL container, another container is WordPress container. If you want, you can see the logs as well. Docker logs. This is MySQL container ID. This is MySQL container ID. MySQL is ready. The other one is WordPress container ID. Docker logs. This is the container ID. This is WordPress container ID. If you see initially it is connection refused. We'll see now. This is fine. Now what we can do is we can start accessing the port 8000. Go to this particular server. Go to security groups. Yellow 8000 port. Why? Because we exposed it 8000 outside. Internally it is running on 80. Yellow 8000 port. Go to security group ID. Edit inbound rules. Add rule. You need to allow 8000 for this particular range. Save rules. Perfect. Security groups also got added. Now what you can do is take the IP address, go to browser and say server IP colon 8000. See, WordPress installation is coming. Take English United States. Continue. Site title name. I am keeping Vamsi Tech Tutorials. You can save this password for future references. Email, you can keep anything. Click on install WordPress. Login. Username is this. Password which we copied. Login. Perfect. We are able to see WordPress website. In this session, we have seen how to install WordPress using Docker Compose file. I have explained the YML file in detail. In the next session, I'll explain how to install SonarQube using Docker Compose and how to install Python with Redis using Docker Compose. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.